babae, si Scarlett Snow. Yung sa Obigayni, pag-ultrasound sa kanya, napaiyak ako kasi sabi ng Obigayni sa akin, Ma'am, pisnian. Nagtanong ako kung anong silang pisnian. Tapos sabi niya, babae po. Tapos yun, naiyak ako nung nalaman ko yung babae. Sobrang iyak ako nung iyak dun sa Obigayni. Kasi sobrang saya.
Take a road that goes nowhere. I'm ready to live, ready to live, ready to live, ready to live. Like a dove I fly away. Now's the time, today's the day. Now it begins, now it begins, now it begins, now it begins. This is gonna be a good day.
Halo yung naramdaman ko kasi unang-una gusto ko lalaki kasi siyempre since wala pa kaming babae, may lalaki okay na rin sa akin, saka maligaya sa na babae yung baby na.
Got nothing to lose. Oh my, gonna shake it off. It ain't no thing, it ain't no thing. Oh my, doing what I want. Gonna do my thing, do my thing. Way up high and take it low. I'm feeling right from head to toe. Light it up and let it roll. Here I go. Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready? Ready for more? Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my, you ready? Ready or not, let's go in. And I can't stop, are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my, oh my.
Si Daddy naka-insulin.
Kasi ganito yun, kaya si Scarlett
I'm gonna hit it big. I got my
diba,
eyes.
kasi nagbibitan lang talaga ako sa anak ni Biggie Bill, kaya yun, sinuha ko yung pangalan. Okay naman din, kasi hindi yun.
No one ever fall. Started up, let the game begin.
sunurin, may takot sa Diyos. Yun lang.
Yun lang, yung gusto ko yung lumaki siyang masunurin sa magulang, tapos hindi siya, ano kasi pag babae yung anak ko, tapos siyempre natatakot ka.
Sa healthy lang.
Healthy lang siya, tapos lagi siyang kasama namin. Siyempre, kasi dagdag ko namin siya.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish mo na lumaki kang mabait, nagiging ka mabait.
Are you ready? Ready for me? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready? Ready for more? Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my my, oh my my. Are you ready? Ready or not, we going, and I can't stop. Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my my, oh my my.
One, two,